Hello, welcome to part two of this two-part video series on how to record a screen share using Zoom and upload it to YouTube for sharing with your audience. Here I am in YouTube. I happen to be on my personal or on my school account in my videos channel. You can be almost anywhere in YouTube and you should get the create button in the top right corner of the screen. I'm going to go ahead and click the create button and choose to upload a video. When I choose to upload, it will prompt me to either drag and drop or select a file. I'm going to go ahead and select a file. And in the window that pops up, I'm going to look for the Zoom file that I made earlier today that contained the video I'm looking to put out there. So I believe that video was finished at 11:05. I'm going to open that folder. And in here, today at 11:05, Zoom 0. Now when I saved it, I probably could have changed the name, so I was assured that I'm grabbing the correct one. We'll hope this is right. And once I do that, it's going to start the upload process and give me options. So here I'm on the details screen. I'm going to change the name. This is Zoom Screen Share How To Part 1. And I could add a description, thumbnails. If I don't choose one, it will choose one for me, so I don't need to. Video elements is the next window. Under video elements, you will want to choose whether it's made for kids or not made for kids. In this case, it is not made for kids. I'm sharing it with an adult audience. And then finally, under visibility, you get to choose whether you want it public, unlisted, or private. It's not a bad idea to choose unlisted if you would like anybody with the video link can see what your video is. That works well with something like Google Classroom. If you are wanting to share it public so that everybody can hear, can watch your video, you can use the public option. And if you want to make it private, you can reduce access to only people you choose to see your video. I'm going to go ahead and make this public since anybody can benefit from it. And it says down here in the left-hand corner, 95% processed. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the publish button. When it's finished processing, it will immediately publish the video. And then it will be available for me to go in and grab a link. Or from Google Classroom, I can actually select YouTube video as an option for file to add on to an assignment or an announcement in order to share my video. If you have any questions about this video, don't hesitate to email or leave a comment on the video itself, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.